I'm gonna do. So watch, and we'll send it back to Mama. I don't know. And this best part is, and the second part is really good. So we'll do it. And we got 2 parts for it. So we'll do this, but not. Put the feet and they're good. Lay in it. They'll just set it. Then the best part will be some for real, some for not. So we'll try to do it. So that's how we do it. We'll hold it on. Then that will be it very much. So we'll go to the next part. Come on, get out and be those. Now what y'all doing? That's in the band's mountain. Don't know.
You hit the wall.
What?
You hit the wall. Be careful. You done?
No, I got some more lost.
You got a lot more.
Yeah, but I don't know what the.
Well, let me see it real quick.
What do you do next?
Move, move, move.